Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. Let us begin. Here we have this document. There are two blank pages. This is the first page and this is the second. I will show you two methods to delete blank page. The first one, click on the bottom of the blank page and then press backspace. As you can see, the blank page is removed. The second way, click on the bottom left of the screen. Here, it shows you all the pages. Then click on the blank page, press Ctrl G, click on page, and then write \page. Go to close, press delete on your keyboard. The blank page is being removed. Similar way, you can delete text page as well. Click on the page, the same procedure, Ctrl G, again page and write \page, go to close, and then delete. The text page is being removed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.